You've probably already faced this situation. A coin starts pumping, and you enter only after the main move is over. The issue isn't bad luck. It's about where you look for opportunities. Today, I'll show you an exchange that gives access to tokens much earlier, and we'll break down how it works in practice. This is MEXC. Let's see how it really works. Want more step-by-step breakdowns and real entries? Support with a like and subscribe, so you don't miss the next videos. About MEXC Exchange. Here you'll find tokens that aren't yet listed on other platforms. The list includes over 1,600 coins, many of them early stage projects. And a big plus, you can trade without mandatory KYC. Registration. It only takes a few minutes. The link to the platform is in the description under the video. Follow it and claim bonuses, up to 10,000 USDT. How to create an account. Enter your email or phone number, set a password, confirm with a code, and that's it. Your profile is ready. Account security. Many beginners skip this step, and that's exactly how most lose access and funds. So set up security right after registration, no exceptions. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Without it, your account is basically open. Install Google Authenticator on your phone. On MEXC, a QR code will be generated. Scan it. Enter the 6-digit code, protection activated. Be sure to save the backup key. Without it, if you lose your phone, you could permanently lose access. Anti-phishing code. Few people do this, and then they fall victim to fake emails. Create your own unique code. It will appear in every official email from the exchange. If the code is missing, it's scammers. Whitelist addresses. Advanced level of protection. You can set withdrawals only to your own wallets. Even if your account is hacked, your funds remain safe. Extra tips. Never log in through random links. Use only trusted sources. For example, the link in the description or your bookmarks. Always check the site domain. Even one extra letter means phishing. MEXC has one feature that's often underestimated. You can start without completing KYC. That means you already have the ability to trade, deposit funds, withdraw crypto, all without verification. But here's the catch. KYC will be required if you plan to. Use P2P, work with fiat, increase withdrawal limits. Many people postpone this process for later. And when they actually need it, they get confused. So if you plan to work seriously, it's better to complete it right away. How KYC works. Select your country. Upload a document, passport, ID card, or driver's license. Take a selfie. Usually, it takes anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. After confirmation, the full functionality becomes available. If you have questions, you can always reach out to support. Even better, join our community. There you'll find working strategies, breakdowns of common mistakes, and people already earning with us. The link is in the description under the video. Depositing funds. This is the stage where beginners most often lose money, so be extra careful. There are 3 main ways to deposit: cryptocurrency, P2P, exchangers. The most convenient and secure option is USDT via TRC20. Minimal fees, fast transactions. But here's the critical part. The sending network must fully match the deposit network. TRC20, only TRC20. ERC20, only ERC20. If you mix them up, funds are lost and cannot be recovered. P2P deposits. If you use P2P, choose sellers with high ratings. Don't confirm payment until you've actually transferred the money. Never move to third-party messengers. These are basic rules, but this is exactly where beginners most often get caught. Exchange via services. Online exchangers are available. Find a trusted service. For example, through BestChange. Create the request. Enter your MEXC deposit address. Pay the request. Receive crypto directly into your account. The process is simple, but the golden rule is always double-check the address before sending funds. Withdrawing funds from MEXC. On MEXC, you can withdraw both cryptocurrency and fiat through P2P or exchanges. The process is similar to depositing, just in reverse. Choose the coin, enter the address, select the network, confirm the transaction. The main rule, the network must match completely. If you mix them up, funds may be lost with no way to recover them. P2P withdrawals. Here it's even simpler. You sell crypto and receive money to your card or another payment method. But remember, never confirm the deal until you've actually received the payment. Trading on MEXC. Now the most important part, trading. And here's the point most people don't understand. It doesn't matter which exchange you use. What matters is when you enter a coin. On MEXC, there are 2 main modes: spot, futures. Spot is the simplest. You just buy a coin and hold it. There are 2 types of orders. Market, you enter instantly. Limit, you set your own price. And here's the key. Beginners usually enter emotionally, buying when the price is already pumping. Futures trading. Futures are a different level. Here you can profit both from growth and from decline. But there's leverage. And it brings both profit and risk. 2 margin modes. Cross, your entire balance works as one system. Risk is high. Isolated, risk is limited to a single position. Safer for most traders. And the golden rule that separates a beginner from a trader. Without a stop loss, you're not trading, you're gambling. MEXC lists a huge number of new coins, and it's exactly these coins that make the strongest moves, but only if you enter before the crowd. Want to learn trading? If you want to understand the market yourself, see how professionals work, and navigate trading with confidence, join our trading chat. Our team analyzes the market daily, shows real trades, and goes live 3 times a week. All details and links are in the description under the video. Where to find new X coins on MEXC. This is the most important moment in the entire video, because here you either learn how to spot coins earlier than others, or you keep buying when it's already too late. To find new coins, go to the top menu, Markets. First, check the New Listing tab. These are tokens just added to the exchange. This is where coins often appear that later make strong moves, because most people haven't even noticed them yet. Second, look at hot tokens. These are coins that are just starting to gain interest, and the key point. This isn't the peak, it's the beginning of the move. You see interest before the crowd enters. Third, check the change column, sort by growth, and you'll see which coins have already started moving. The core idea, and now the most important thing you need to understand. There is no one correct list of coins. There are only stages of movement: new listing, early access, hot tokens, start of interest, change, where the market is already entering. Most people always enter at the last stage. The ones who profit are those who focus on the first two. DEX Plus on MEXC. Now let me show you the feature that makes many people join MEXC in the first place. And if you understand this, you're already one step ahead of most traders. Remember when I mentioned coins that appear before listing? This is exactly where it happens. DEX Plus is a bridge between the centralized exchange and decentralized tokens. But let's keep it simple. DEX Plus gives you access to tokens that haven't yet reached the main MEXC market, meaning you see them earlier than everyone else. And here's the key idea. Most people buy coins only when everyone is already talking about them. Here, you can enter when almost no one knows about them yet. DEX Plus works across multiple networks: Ethereum, BNB Chain, Arbitrum, Polygon, and others. So you're not limited to a single ecosystem. How it works: you simply find the token, check the network, buy directly through the MEXC interface. Why it matters? This is important because these are exactly the tokens where the big multipliers usually appear, not the ones already at the top, but the ones just starting their move. But remember the rule: DEX Plus is not about buying everything blindly. It's about early access and selectivity. If you know how to use it, you're not just a trader, you're someone entering ahead of the market. Want to learn investing and trading? Join my Telegram channel. There I regularly explain the market in simple language, show what professional traders pay attention to, break down macroeconomics, and explain how news impacts asset prices. The link to the channel is in the description under the video. Launchpad, Kickstarter, and MEXC token. Now let's look at another level of the MEXC ecosystem. This is where many people start to realize why this exchange truly stands out. Because it's not just about trading, it's about getting access to tokens before they even hit the market. Launchpad. Launchpad is early access to new projects. The idea is simple. You lock a certain amount. You receive tokens at a fixed price before listing. And here's the exciting part. If the project takes off after launch, you already entered at the early price. You're not chasing the market. You're ahead of it. Kickstarter. This is a feature most people completely ignore. Kickstarter means free tokens. Yes, literally without investment. Here's how it works. You use the MEXC token to vote for projects. After voting ends, you receive a distribution of tokens. Important note, this isn't promised earnings. It's simply participation in early projects through activity. MEXC token. And now the key to the entire ecosystem, the MEXC token, MEXC's native coin. Without it, you're just a user. With it, you're part of the ecosystem with bonuses. What it gives you: trading fee discounts, access to Launchpad, participation in Kickstarter, boosted rewards, and earn occasional airdrops for holding. The main idea is simple. MEXC isn't just a token, it's your access to the exchange's internal opportunities. If you use Launchpad and Kickstarter, you literally get tokens earlier than the market or even for free. Earn and staking on MEXC if you don't want to trade actively. That doesn't mean your money should just sit idle. On MEXC, there's a section, Savings, MEXC Earn. The idea is simple. You store crypto and it generates income. Staking is available for popular coins: USDT, BTC, ETH, SOL, MX, and others. The concept is straightforward. You lock coins and earn interest. But here's the important part. You choose your level of control. Flexible staking, for those who want full control. You earn income but can withdraw anytime. Funds aren't frozen. Fixed staking. Assets are locked for a set period, but you earn higher returns. Simple logic. Flexible, liquidity and freedom. Fixed, maximum yield. Key understanding. This isn't active trading. It's a way to make your assets work even when you're doing nothing. Trading bots on MEXC. Now let's move to another level of automation. If Earn is when you simply hold coins, then trading bots are when the system trades for you. MEXC provides built-in bots that work 24/7. You don't need to sit at the charts all day. Types of bots: grid bot, buys during dips and sells during rises within a set range. DCA bot gradually builds a position, averaging the entry price. A no-rush strategy, but with controlled entries. Futures bots automate leverage trading with preset parameters. The system opens and closes trades on its own. How to launch a bot. And the best part, nothing complicated. Launch in just a few clicks. Go to Wallet, Asset Overview. On the left panel, select Trading Bot. Choose the bot type: Grid, DCA, or Futures. Pick the trading pair. Set parameters, price range, amount, margin mode for futures, or use a ready-made template. Click Start. From there, the bot runs automatically, buying, selling, and reacting to market moves. Key understanding. Earn equals you profit from holding. Bots equals you profit from market movements without direct involvement. And yes, you can fully control the process. Stop, adjust, or withdraw profits at any time. Want to see it in practice? Check the link in the description. There you'll find our trading chat and Telegram channel where we share real cases, market analysis, and live trade examples. MEXC mobile app. If you think trading is only possible from a computer, it's not. MEXC has a full-featured mobile app. Everything is available there. Spot and futures, deposits and withdrawals, P2P, Earn and bots, DEX Plus. Meaning you can open trades, check positions, or enter new coins right from your phone, anytime. Security on MEXC. And now an important point many ignore. MEXC uses standard mechanisms of major exchanges: cold storage of assets, data encryption, 2FA protection, login and transaction notifications. But the main question is, have you set it up? Most problems don't come from the exchange, but from users failing to secure their accounts. So make sure to enable the basics, activate 2FA, add an anti-phishing code, optionally enable whitelist addresses. These simple steps drastically reduce risks. Skip them, and your account stays vulnerable. That's exactly where beginners most often lose access and funds. Bonuses on MEXC. There's another aspect that's often underestimated. Bonuses from MEXC. The platform regularly offers deposit rewards, trader tasks, promo campaigns, token giveaways. This isn't just a nice extra, it's a real resource you can use in trading to boost your results. It's also worth mentioning the referral program, Invite Friends. Earn a percentage of their trading fees. The more actively they trade, the more you earn. Final thoughts. MEXC isn't just another exchange, it's a multifunctional tool for working with the market. It provides access to new coins before they appear on other platforms. Spot and futures, trading without mandatory KYC. The DEX Plus platform for early projects. Launchpad and Kickstarter opportunities. Passive income through Earn. Automation with trading bots. And the key point, you decide which format of earning to choose, from active trading to investing or passive strategies. If you haven't yet supported this video with a like or clicked subscribe, now is the perfect time to do it. And in the comments, leave your ideas. Which topic should we cover next, so we can prepare a new step-by-step breakdown for you.